I was scrolling down Facebook. I saw this post by Danko, and I was, I don't know, shocked for a moment. This is, in fact, my first online course since I started studying 3D art, and it was a bit of a leap of faith, but it gave me some nice results. I'm Francesco. I'm 21 years old, and I live here in Italy, and I studied 3D art at AIV, which is Italian Academy of Video Games. The really nice thing of this course is, I think, the community you succeed to create, because every student was really pushing to do better and better, and to suggest and giving advices to other students. So it was a nice environment to work in. Aside from some technical things that you learn in the course, you really learn to manage your time. If you want to keep up with other students, you have really, at least for me, I had to really push a lot and try to do better and better, keeping up with real good artists. They were a student, but they were really, really good. The first thing is to complete a character in 1 month. I'm not used to it yet. Fun fact, I gave to Marlon the last renders at 6 in the morning, and I went to bed at 7. It was really nice to push my limits in this course, and from that moment I never delivered late an academy project. Without a doubt, if you had the possibilities, just do it, because even if you do cars, okay, even if you do likeness project or project for a movie, any kind of situation, in this course you can learn something and improve what you're doing already, even if you're new or not in the industry. Quite a lot. I knew some awesome people, awesome artists. I text with them sometimes and commenting their other projects. So one thing that you bring home after the course is that you have a network of friends and artists which can really help you in the future, in everything you're doing. Aside from technical skills, I want to know if there will be more courses, of course.